Hello, in front of me I have ACER Iconia One 10-inch model B3-A40, and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. Let's start by opening the settings. To do it, swipe left on the home screen to go to the next page, and here tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and select the option called languages and input. Here tap on languages. And as you can see, we have only one language right now. And to change the language, we can tap on Add a language. This should open the list of languages. Here you can swipe up and down on the screen to scroll through the list, find the language you like to use. For example, I'm gonna select Deutsch, like this. Now we need to select the region. For example, Deutschland. As you can see, now we have two languages, and to make the Deutsch default language, we need to press and hold on this sort button next to the Deutsch, right here on the right side, and then drag the language to the top of the list to make it first. And after a few seconds, the language should change, as you can see. And if you want to bring it back to English, simply press and hold on the sort button next to English and drag it to the top of the list, like this. You can also remove the languages from this list by tapping on More Options icon right here and tapping Remove, selecting the language you want to remove and tapping the bin icon right here. You need to also tap on OK to confirm, like this. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.